Hey guys, I'm making this quick video how you're gonna connect your Samsung monitor to your mobile. It's really simple and easy. To do it, all you have to do is you need to have an adapter like this. So you're going to have the monitor like here, and you're gonna have the HDMI monitor, HDMI the opening, the port. You're gonna insert the HDMI cable there, but then you're gonna need how this is called, adapter. So you're gonna get adapter, which is going to be HDMI to USB-C or to your ending adapter. And you can have like S10 and many more, like S20, whatever Samsung you got, Huawei, I don't know what kind of phone you got. So that's how we're gonna do it. It's super simple. So you're gonna connect it like this. And I hope it helped you.